Hi.
Hi.
Hello. Good evening.
Yes.
My name is Teacher Bem, and I will be your substitute teacher for tonight. Hello. Well,
I'm Mary.
Mary. Nice to meet you, Mary. You're so cute.
Thank you.
How old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
Oh, and what grade are you now at school?
Um,
I mean,
I'm grade 6.
oh, grade 6. Okay. So let's uh, continue your lesson, my dear. Can you help teacher if this is where you stopped last time with teacher Jella? Okay, I will share my screen now. Okay, can you see it, my dear? Is this
Yes.
is this where you stopped last time?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so let's go back here to review your reading skills. Okay, now let's go. Oh, let us see first here. Okay, now let us see if you remember your lesson last time with teacher Jella. Okay, you discussed last time about Katie's family. Hello, are you there? Hello
Sorry.
there. It's okay. Okay. So let's continue here, my dear. Let us see if you remember your lesson last time. Okay, you discussed about Katie's family. Yes or no?
Ye- Yes.
Okay. So let's answer this question. Can you read this, my dear?
Katie's family want a hot drink with a meal. What type of drink could they have?
Okay, let's focus on this word, hot drink. Do you know any hot drink? Can you give me an example?
Example.
Yes, hot
Drink.
drink.
Hot coffee.
Okay, let us put here hot coffee. What else?
Mm,
Do you know?
I don't know.
Yes, what is it, my dear?
No, I don't know.
Oh, okay. Teacher will help you. Okay, let us think. We can say tea. Have you tried drinking a tea?
Yes.
Okay. Another one. Can you think of another? How about hot chocolate?
Oh,
Okay. Have you tried also hot
yes.
chocolate? Yes, it's delicious and sweet. Okay, let us see if we have the correct answer. Katie's family want hot drink with their meal. So what kind of drink they want? Let us see here. Dun, 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 dun. Yes, very good. We got it right. Okay, now let's go, my dear, to the second question. Okay, let's read again.
Jack and his classmate Fancy are vegetarian meals. What sort of food do they not want to eat?
Okay, let's focus here. Food that they do not want to eat. Can you think of a food? Because they want to be vegetarian. Oh, by the way, my dear, do you know what vegetarian means?
Yes, I know that.
Okay, so let's focus here. What is the food that they do not want to eat?
Mm, I think it's meat,
Okay, they do not want
seafood.
to eat. Yes, very good. They only
How?
want, yes, they only want to eat vegetables, leafy
Yeah.
vegetables. So they do not want to eat meat. Okay, let us see if we got the correct answer. Ta-da! Yes, very good. They don't want to eat meat. Okay, let's go. Let's clean this up first. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay, my dear, let's read.
Sarah and her friends aren't willing to pay very much. What word do you expect to read in a description of the most suitable
Suit
restaurant?
okay, suitable. Suitable
Su-
restaurant.
Suitable restaurant.
Okay, very good. Now let's focus on this word. They are not willing to pay very much. Okay, so what other words can you think of that also means not willing to pay very much?
Mm,
If you don't want to pay a large amount of money for the food you eat, instead you want less amount. Okay, teacher will give you an example.
yeah.
Okay, let's use the word cheap. Do you
Cheap.
know? Do you know what it means, my dear?
Yes, I know.
Okay. Okay, cheap means that it costs a little less or smaller amount. Okay, what else? Can can you think of another word?
Mm,
Okay, teacher will help you again. Okay, we can say inexpensive. Do you know what it means, my dear?
yeah.
Okay, inexpensive, not expensive. It does not cost a lot. Okay, so let's see if we have the correct answer. Here we go. Oh, we got it. But we did not mention this word. Okay, here. Can you read, my dear? Can you read this for me?
Reasonable.
Okay. Or you can say reasonable.
Reasonable.
Okay, very good. Okay, now let's go to the next. Oh, okay.
Sarah's grandmother doesn't want to walk too far around the market. What sort of word do you need to look for the description?
Okay, now let's focus on here. Grandmother doesn't want to walk too far. Okay, what kind of words you can say that means you doesn't want to walk too far?
Can I have an example?
Okay, teacher will help you. Okay, my dear. Let's think of if you are the grandmother of Samuel's, you will think of, you can say, I will sit near the entrance, so I would not want to walk too far. Okay, near or close to the entrance.
Oh,
Okay. Of course, grandmother sometimes feel pain in her knees or pain in the back, so she doesn't want to walk too far. So she wants to sit near or close to the entrance door. Okay.
okay.
Okay. Now let's see if we have the correct answer. Okay, where is it? Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Oh, we got it right. Close to the entrance. Okay, very good, my dear. Now let's
Yeah.
go. Okay, another one. Let's try this.
Jack and his classmate Fancy are main meal while Sarah and her friend Fancy having a light lunch. What word do you expect to read in the description?
Okay, descriptions. Okay, can you say this again, my dear? Descriptions.
Description.
Des. Des.
This.
Descriptions.
Description.
Okay, descriptions.
Description.
Okay. Now let's focus on this word. Okay, let's clear this first. Okay. Main meal.
Main meal.
Okay. Oh, have you eaten your dinner, my dear?
Yes, I have.
Oh, what did you eat?
I ate spring and carrot.
Oh, that's healthy. Vegetables. Very good. Okay. Now, how about lunch? What did you eat at lunch?
I ate buff with with buff, egg, rice, and vegetable.
Okay, so you eat rice and vegetables. Okay, that is called main meal. Okay, complete sets of food in a meal. Okay, how about light lunch?
Light lunch. It is,
Can you give an example?
I think, is uh, before or after the lunch.
Okay, but you said you've eaten in your lunch rice and vegetables, so it means you have your main meal. But what if I eat during lunchtime this kind of food? Here, I will show you a picture.
Yeah.
Okay, can you see it?
Yes. A
Okay.
sandwich.
Yes, it's a sandwich. What if I eat the sandwich during mealtime? Can you say this is a main meal or a light lunch?
I think a main meal.
But I have no rice and vegetables. So it means I have
A light
only
lunch.
a light lunch. Yes, I only eat this one. Okay, so this means light lunch. Okay, so
Yeah.
let's see what are the answers for this. Okay, let's see. In 3, 2, 1. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, okay, here it is. Okay, so a main meal means a complete meal or three-course meal or three sets. You can also call the main meal as, what is this, my dear?
Sorry, can you say again?
Okay, main meal. Other term or word for main meal is here, complete meal. Second, three-course meal. Third,
We call
okay,
main dish.
like yes, main dish. How about the picture of sandwich I show you? This is again
Mm,
called light lunch
light lunch.
or here.
Snack.
Yes. Okay, when you say I only have a light lunch or snack during mealtime, excuse me.
Yeah.
Okay, so it means light lunch or snack. Okay, very good, my dear.
Yeah.
Now let's go to the next. Oh, do you have sometimes do you also eat light lunch?
Mm, no.
Oh, okay. But you do eat sandwich, right?
Yeah.
Okay, during snack time. Okay, thank you, my dear. Now let's go to the next one. Oh, let's review our reading. Okay, let's see if you remember. Okay, let's play a game. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, I will move this. Okay, do you know what is this in the picture? I think, is this an onion? Okay, let's click on the onion and answer the question. Okay. Okay, kindly read the question, my dear.
What do Patty family want to try on Tuesday?
Okay.
Is a fish with a hot drink.
Okay, your answer is letter A. Okay, let
Yeah.
us see. Yes, very good. They want fish with a hot drink. Okay, let's go back to our kitchen. Okay, now let's have this meat. Let's click on the meat. Okay, another question.
What do some grandmother want to avoid when they talk out to eat? Mm,
Remember, Samuel's grandmother wanted to sit near the entrance because she doesn't want to.
to walk too far.
Oh, yes, very good. Now let us see if we got the correct answer. Yes, letter C. Now let's go back to our kitchen. Okay, my dear, let's go back to our kitchen. Okay, let's click on this shrimp. Okay, what's the question?
Sarah and her friend plan to have a light lunch together on Sunday. I think it's A, true.
Okay, let us see. Oh, no, my dear.
It is B.
Okay, letter B. Okay. It's not. I think it's not Sunday. I think it was Saturday. Okay, so the answer is letter B. Now let's go back to your kitchen again. Okay,
Yeah.
let's click it, the other one. Okay, next question.
Jack and his classmate want to eat meal.
Meat.
Meat.
Okay.
Is B, 4.
Okay, let us see. Dun, 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 dun. Yes, very good. They want to eat meat. Okay, let's go back again. Oh, now let's have this uh, onion leaves or spring onion leaves. Okay, what's the question, my dear?
Jack and his classmates are interesting instead that have won prize.
Interested in stalls. Again, my dear.
Interested in
Stalls.
stalls.
Okay, very good. Okay, what's your answer? They want to go to stalls that have won prizes. Is that true or false?
Wow.
Okay, let us see. Letter B. No, my
Why?
dear. It's true. Jack
Okay.
and his classmates want to go to stalls that have won prizes. Okay. It's okay, my dear. Now let's go back to your kitchen. Okay, we have the bean sprouts. Okay, what's the next question?
Why do Tina and her
Tanya.
mom Tanya and her mom need to take away the dessert?
Okay, dessert.
Dessert.
Okay, dessert. Okay. What's your answer?
I think C. They want to enjoy it after the movie.
Okay. They want to watch movie, but okay, let us see first if C is the answer. No, my dear. Okay, let's try one more time.
It's D.
Letter D.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Letter D. Yes, very good. Letter D. Now let's go back to your kitchen. Oh, let's click on this. I think it's carrots and radish. Okay, next question.
Jack and his classmates have enough money to try any star they want.
Okay, do they
I think
have
it's
enough money?
I think it's 4.
Oh, okay, let's see. If Jack and his classmates have enough money, dun, 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 dun. Yes, very good. They have no enough money. Okay, now let's go back again. Oh, I think this is chili powder. Okay, let's click on this.
What type of dish do Tina and her mom want to try?
Okay, Tanya, what type of dish
Tanya.
do Tanya and her... Okay, what is
Mhm.
your answer?
I think it's a spicy vegetable dish.
Okay, let's see. Letter D. Okay, very good. Oh, do you want also spicy vegetable?
I don't want.
Oh, have you tried kimchi?
Yes,
Oh,
tasty.
okay. But it's also spicy, right?
Yes.
Okay, but you only eat a little part of the kimchi. Okay, teacher also likes kimchi.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go back again to your kitchen. Okay, and the last one, the leafy vegetable. Okay, what's the question?
Samuel want a dessert.
Dessert. Okay, dessert.
Dessert. Why his grandmother prefer a peppermint?
Oh,
I think it's B, 4.
yes. Okay, the Samuel wants a dessert or no, not. Okay, let's see. Letter B. Yes, it's his grandmother who wants dessert, not Samuel. Okay, very good. Now you have complete ingredients for your dish. Okay, let's click on the pan to cook it. Oh, you now have your dish. Now it's complete. It's lunch or it's meal time. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay, thank you, my dear, for answering it correctly. Okay, now let's go to know some street food stalls. Okay. Are there street food stalls in your place, in your area?
Yes.
Okay, now let's see. Okay, okay, here is the instruction. Can you read this for me, my dear? Okay.
Read the street food market guide and decide which food stand A to H would be the most suitable for each group of people.
Okay, most suitable.
Most suitable.
Yes, very good. Okay, now let's go. Let's see the names of these stalls and what do they offer. Okay, now let's go to the first and the second stall. Okay, let's visit number one stall. What's the name of the first stall?
Amazing food by Jackson.
Jason. Can you say it
Jason.
again, my dear? Jason.
Jason.
Okay, Amazing Food by Jason. Okay, what does they offer? Okay, let's read this one.
If you are looking for a main meal, try the delicious curry from Mauritius here. Don't miss the
Creole.
Creole chicken, which is spicy fried chicken cooked in tomatoes and served with rice and salad.
Oh,
Not
okay.
but visit the stand on Tuesday for a free glass of hot tea.
Okay. Oh, instead of Creole, my dear, let's say Creole. Creole
Creole,
chicken.
Creole
Okay.
chicken
Okay. Cook in tomatoes
cooked in tomatoes,
and served with rice.
served with rice.
Okay, very good. Now again, what does Amazing Food by Jason can give you? If you want to buy, what do you want to buy from Amazing Food by Jason? Hmm.
Creole chicken.
Oh, okay. Creole's chicken. What else?
Curry. Delicious curry.
Oh, okay. Me too. I want this one. What else?
Only that.
Okay. Our teacher also want this. Salad. Okay. Do you like salad too?
A little bit.
Okay, very good. Okay. How about spicy fried chicken?
Spicy fried chicken.
Do you like to eat that too?
Yes, I like it.
Yes, I also like fried chicken. But here, it's not it's not cheap. It costs a lot. It's expensive.
Yeah.
What if we have no money? Will you buy from Amazing Food by Jason or you will transfer to another stall?
Another star.
Okay. Okay, we have no money to buy from Amazing Food by Jason. Okay. So we will transfer to another stall. Oh, by the way, my dear, if you have a stall, what will you name your stall? Can you give me an example?
I don't know.
Okay. Okay, I'll give. Let us call it what if you're selling ice cream? You can call it Mary's Ice Cream Dream. Okay. Okay, my dear. It's time now. So Teacher Jella will continue this for you. And thank you for tonight. Teacher has enjoyed with you in this class. Okay, are you happy too?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, my dear, and nice to meet you again. Bye bye. Enjoy your evening and stay pretty. Bye bye.
Bye.